Rambo, they begging for mercy like the Lambo. No, they told me kill them all, damn no. I know they wanna see me follow where I am though. On 2 feet, that's why I stand though. I'm a true killer like Rambo. No ammo, they see me on the sand, yo. I just kill them cause I can. I'm as humble as they come, but you f***ing with the wrong one. Boy, you f***ing with the wrong one. This ain't new Pen Griffey, watch that nigga get a home run. Watch him hit it, that's a home run. I ain't playing with you, cause I'm a Louis villain. I'm the realest, stay acrylic. F*** them niggas if they doubt it. Say I'm flipping up, but so is the money counter. I been getting up, about to pay myself allowance, and I save it like the bell. I can't take no more L's. The day I sell my soul, that's the day I go to hell. Been putting on a show, just like Dave on Chappelle. They ain't make it in the credits, I'ma tell them, oh well. Tell Steve, don't let no more bitches in the hotel. Niggas gotta get to work, girl, unless you gon' twerk some while I lay this verse on them. Damn, this lifestyle got a lot of perks on it. I'm just saying, young Tiller, yeah. Rambo, they begging for mercy like the Lambo. No, they told me kill them all, damn no. I know they wanna see me follow where I am though. On 2 feet, that's why I stand though. I'm a true killer like Rambo. No ammo, they see me on the sand, yo. I just kill them cause I can. This ain't temporary, I've been out here letting them know. New cat, years later, best Sylvester Stallone. I've been working hard, I've been doing better, you know. Peep the freeloaders, we won't be breaking bread with them, no. She chose me over him cause he was so regular. Oh, he was so regular. I'm like a butler getting his dough. I'm like a monster or a motherfucking predator. Oh, nah, nah, nah. Soldier like Contra. I don't f with daddies, I pass it on my partner. All gold, everything. I'm Fort Knox and new sports car, man. I'm new Porsche copping. 2-door hopping, girl, you know how I spin. And I've been tryna budget my checks and the rest of my money. Rubber bands getting stretched with the hundreds. MVP up a dead with the money. Don't I make the haters upset with the money, bitch, I'm coming. Cause this is not a motherfucking game. This is not